Welcome to TSANet Connect training for limited member administrators. Let me start with a couple of quick slides on the organization. TSANet was founded in 1993 as a not-for-profit with a charter to provide the industry with a mechanism to collaborate on multi-vendor issues. It has grown to over 600 members and continues to grow today. TSANet is simple, and our new TSANet Connect collaboration mechanism streamlines the process even further. A typical use case starts out with an engineer working a customer issue that requires assistance from another member. The member uses TSANet Connect to collaborate with the other member, resolving the issue without finger pointing the customer. The TSANet relationship structure is designed around many-to-many open groups and the ability for members to host more strategic relationships or host their partner programs. TSANet is a relationship infrastructure allowing all types of collaborative relationships. Since TSANet utilizes a well-existing and well-adopted legal and operational structure, relationships can be created quickly or members can already join a predefined relationship. As a limited member, you have joined into one or more partner programs hosted by an existing member. You were likely requested by the host to join into TSANet and into a specific program. Where you will participate in a one-to-one relationship with the host will have a one-to-many view of their partners. Cost is typically $500 per relationship per year, and many host members pay their partners member dues. More information on TSANet can be obtained from the link below. So now that you have the base knowledge on TSANet, let's dive into the collaboration portal itself. TSANet Connect is a very simple and consistent method for connecting you to another member organization. TSANet Connect does provide integration capabilities into other systems and tools, but we're going to focus on the simple form-based process. Your company will have its own login page. To access this page, go to yourdomain.connect.tsanet.org. For example, if your email address is john@test.com, your login page would be test.connect.tsanet.org. First-time users can enter their member work email address to receive a temporary login link, and to create a permanent account, simply update your profile and set a password. To find a member and request a collaboration, simply find your partner in the drop-down list. Most limited members will only have one option in their partner list. If you'd like to make a request to add a partner, you can use the search to send a request, and in these cases, TSANet staff will work with you on these requests. This feature will not request a collaboration with another partner. To request a collaboration with your host, you'll select the host and be presented with a process form. Simply fill out the required fields, select the SLA, and submit the case. This form will be sent to the host's predefined path to accept or respond to a request. The sender will receive an email confirming the request and escalation instructions if necessary. So let's take a look at the end-to-end process to better understand how TSANet works. The sender logs into TSANet Connect and finds the partner. They'll fill out the process form, select a priority, then an email process completes that connection. The sender gets an email that includes SLA and escalation instructions to use if they need it. The receiver also receives an email with a button to respond to that request. The receiver responds to the sender, enters the case number, engineer's name, and contact details. The system will monitor the initial response, SLA, and trigger an escalation if needed. As an administrator, you can view and make requests for changes to the system. Let's take a look at those capabilities. The administrator menu is accessed from the top navigation and contains these areas. You should note that as a limited member, your access is restricted to your users, some modifications to your inbound form, and the reporting section. The users menu will allow you to view both users and your login page URL. Limited members must contact TSANet to create additional administrator accounts. Standard users will supply their company email on the login page to gain access. The inbound process will show how the system is set up to receive collaboration requests from your host. It includes escalation instructions that the partners can use if needed. Contact TSANet to make changes to your inbound process. The standard email inbound process will send collaboration requests to the support email address defined in the form. The email will contain a button for responding to the partner. This will take you to a form to provide your case number, the assigned engineer, email, phone, and an optional note if you would like, for example, that the engineer should expect a phone call. You should respond within the agreed SLA noted in the email request. The sender will receive your escalation instructions as part of the process to use as needed. After the initial response, your engineer will work the case directly with the partner from within your ticketing system. You will not update the TSANet Connect system, and the collaboration tracking should be used within your existing systems. Finally, the reporting section will provide details for both inbound and outbound collaboration requests. You are also able to download this information to Excel and merge with your internal ticketing system to gain end-to-end visibility of the process.